AgTech Tech Tip. Using the over-X guide. The latest version of Gradework has added an updated over-X guide. The over-X guide will walk you through the process of entering an intermediate phase of excavation step by step. This includes temporary erosion control or over-excavation of structural areas. In this example, we will over-excavate the building pad 8 feet below the finished grade. Select the Guide menu and select Over-X. Select Create New Surface. A new surface named Over-X will be created. Select the Guide menu or press G to access the guide. Select Enter Over-X data. Change the surface to Design. Select the data line around the pad. Right-click and select Copy, or press Ctrl-C on the keyboard. Switch back to the over-X surface and right-click and select Paste, or press Ctrl-V on the keyboard. We will next lower the data line 8 feet to reach the bottom of the over-excavation. Select the pad line and select the Edit menu and select Raise Lower. Enter 8 in the lower elevation field and click OK. This lowers the line to the over-excavation elevation. In this example, we will over-excavate the pad 5 feet from the pad line. Select the pad line and click the Offset Line button. Set the offset direction to the outside. Enter 5 for the offset distance and 0% for the elevation difference. Check round corners. Click the View button to view the line and make sure it's on the outside of the pad. And click Apply to add the line. And click Close to close the offset line editor. We may delete the pad line if desired. Now select the 5-foot offset line and click the Offset Line button. This time we want to run an offset line to daylight at a 2-to-1 slope. Check Daylight. Change the daylight surface to Stripped. Enter 2-to-1 or 50 in the slope field. And click the View button to view the line and make sure it's on the outside of the pad. And click Apply to add the line. And Close to close the offset line editor. Press G and check Enter Staging Perimeters. Position the arrow over the daylight offset line and press F8 twice to line snap the perimeter to the line. And right-click to end. Right-click a second time to end data entry. And click No to applying the drape line. Press G. Select Review Graphics. The program will switch to 3D view and display the over-X surface. Verify the surface looks correct. Then press G. Select Stage over-X. Keep over-X as the reference and Stripped as the difference. And then keep over-X as the output surface and click OK. Press G. Select Compute Volumes, and a message will prompt you to verify the reference and different surfaces are correct. Click OK, and click the Calc Volume button to calculate the volumes. Click Done to view the report.